in order to get a feel of what compás feels like, we're actually going to put the guitars down for a minute and do something else that we do all the time in flamenco, which is palmas. Palmas is just hand claps, but this is an essential element of flamenco. If you listen to any flamenco, you will hear an accompaniment of palmas anytime there's rhythmic stuff. It's not every single time, but it's very, very common, and it's a really important part of the culture and of the music. So we're going to do this starting now to get a better sense of the rhythm. So this is on the site in our palmas videos, but I'm just going to review quickly that there are two basic sounds we make when we're doing palmas. One are claras, which are louder and sharper, and sordas are a little rounder, let's say, and quieter. So for now, let's do sordas. We sort of cup our palms, and it's palm to palm. Claras are more about finger to palm. Sordas are more palm to palm. The first thing we're going to do is do a 12-beat compás. We're only clapping on the downbeats. And we are going to put accents on 3, 6, 8, 10, and 12. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you think about this a little bit, the first half, the first 6 beats are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You might also notice that there was no downbeat. In 4/4 and 3/4 time, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In flamenco, we don't have that yet. As we get a little faster, that's going to change. But for now, we don't have a downbeat. So the first half is 2 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second half of the compás is 3 groups of 2. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So just take a minute, wrap your head around this. First 6 beats are 2 groups of 3. Next 6 beats are 3 groups of 2. And then take a minute. You can do this with or without a metronome. It really doesn't matter. And just get used to doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't stop. 3, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Each compás flows into the next compás without any stopping. In the beginning, there might be some hesitation between 6 and 8 or between 12 and 1 as you sort of get used to what this feels like because it doesn't feel like anything you've probably ever played before. Again, as with everything else we're doing, with a little bit of time, it's going to become much more familiar and therefore much easier. Once this starts to feel good, just for fun, try it a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. And then there's an even faster tempo that we do sometimes called bulerías, which is 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You may or may not have noticed that as we get a little faster, the 12, which is the last beat, starts to feel like a downbeat. It starts to feel like the beginning of something. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. And in fact, in flamenco, the 12 becomes the downbeat. That's sort of nonsense when you, as a musician, when I say that the last beat of the measure is the downbeat of the next measure, that sounds like nonsense. It shouldn't make sense. But this is not classical music, right? There's a different system. And regular Western music notation isn't necessarily set up to notate this kind of music, but it is what it is. And that 12 does start to feel like the downbeat. So embrace that. Just hear it as you go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. Right? That 12 might feel like just the end. 12, 3. As you go a little faster, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And even faster, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. That 12 is such a downbeat that it actually feels a little weird to me at that tempo to go 1, 2, 3. At that tempo, I want to go 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's just how flamenco works. At that tempo, the 12 really is the beginning of the compás. Now, I just did something. I ended on 10. I did 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll talk about this a lot more as we get into soleares, which is the first style we're going to do. But not only does our weird flamenco compás start on 1, but sometimes on 12, it ends on 10. So at the end of the piece, we don't go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At the end of the whole piece, we go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the end. Again, this may feel weird. To me, it feels perfectly normal as I do this. I'm like, of course, that's just what it is. You've never done this before, so I don't expect it to feel normal, but I do want to give you this information because it's really important to start getting used to this idea. One last thing before we move on. What I'm telling you about 3, 6, 8, 10, and 12 is part of the truth. Nothing I've said is untrue. It's just not the whole truth. There will be many times where we take these 12 beats and we distribute the accents a little differently. And the most important other way we're going to do it is rather than 6, 8, 10 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're just going to unaccent the 6, accent the 7, everything else stays the same. That gives us a pattern that works much better at a mid-tempo or a faster speed. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The bulería, which as I said starts on 12, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also feels very normal. So 6, 8, 10 and 7, 8, 9, 10 are both ways of expressing what I'm going to call the second half of the compás. For the most part, the first half of the compás stays the same. That won't always be true, but it's really the second half where things get interesting more often.